You've set an intention. Now, how long do you wait? How long do you wait for that intention to manifest? Well, guess what? There's no more waiting. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this channel is all about, your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing and sharing it on your social media. So, how long should you wait? And how will you know if you should wait a little bit longer or if you should give up? Okay, so this is a complicated question, but I believe that the real answer is no more waiting. That's big. So let me get into that. We're going to unpack this right now and get into it because this is important. So high flyers, one of the big secrets to manifesting is to manifest with the end in mind. So what I like to do is I think of an intention and I go all the way to the end. What does this intention look like at its end results? And then I kind of work backwards and create steps. So I will have goals or specific steps that I will be taking in the direction of my dreams and goals. But my major intention, I focus on the end in mind. It's when you focus on the end in mind that you really begin to manifest and pull in all that emotional energy, all that positive juice that helps you manifest what you desire. So constantly waiting. This is key. When you are constantly waiting for whatever it is that you desire to happen, what you are doing is you are creating the end in mind picture in your subconscious as that of waiting. And so waiting begets waiting. Likes attract likes in the law of attraction, high flyers. So it's a real kind of a catch-all because people want to wait, but when you wait, you just put yourself in a position to attract more waiting, and that's what defeats you in attracting your dreams and goals. So, high flyers, we have to remember always that the outer reality that we see and touch and feel and hear is a reflection of the inner reality within us. Are you in a loving relationship or are you waiting for a loving relationship? You see, there's a big difference. So there's no more waiting. Waiting we just don't do that because we are manifestors. We are soaring high. So we believe that everything that we desire is already present. Listen, we live in an incredible universe filled with abundance beyond your wildest dreams. I mean, there's nothing impossible to the universe. Nothing that doesn't already exist in the universe on a timeline. So tapping into that timeline, tapping into that end picture, the picture where you see yourself exactly where you desire to be. But what we hear oftentimes from people is, well, Robert, it's not here yet. Or, I've been doing my affirmations for 2 weeks now, and nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. Oh, isn't that a great one? I mean, isn't that a powerful affirmation? Not, okay? These are affirmations. It's not here. It's not working. Nothing has happened. These are all negative affirmations that gets you more of. It's not here. It's not working. It's never going to happen. These become your affirmations. That becomes your end picture. And that's exactly why we stop the waiting. We stop with these kinds of thinking processes, such as it's not here or nothing's working. So the question, high flyers, is how long should you be waiting for your intention to manifest? And the answer is you shouldn't be waiting at all. Stop waiting. Let it happen. Let it manifest. Trust in divine timing. Know that whatever you've put your intention to, your belief to, your energy to, has already begun to manifest. Now, sometimes you get it all at once. All at once. Everything happens at once. Other times, it comes in small, bite-sized pieces, so to speak. You may get a new job, this month, and 3 months later, a relationship, and a few months later, you may lose that 20 pounds, whatever, okay? It comes in sections. Understand that the universe is working in cooperation with you and your intentions and your goals. The universe is helping you achieve what you deeply desire. So keep that end picture in mind. It's absolutely essential. Now, hang on for this. The one thing that is absolutely critical to manifesting and manifesting quickly is getting over, letting go of the frustration or the anger, the doubt, the fear, all of these kinds of thoughts. They don't serve you, they don't help you, and they don't empower you. They take you exactly the opposite direction to where you really don't want to be. And then you can go there and you can complain that it's not working. Do you see? It's a cycle. It's a cycle of success or a cycle of going in the opposite direction, whatever you want to call that. Once belief, high flyers, is established, things begin to move fast. Stuff begins to happen. Now, you may not see it all. You may not even see it right away, but things are happening. Things are changing. You don't have to see it to know that it is manifesting. Matter of fact, that may be one of the biggest keys to the law of attraction. So high flyers, want to remind you, if you're working on blocks or challenges in your life to get your belief system working for you, to get out of that waiting mode and into that manifesting mode, then visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com and claim your 7 days free, absolutely free. And you can use all the programs there, and there are several there that will help you. Now, as I said, sometimes manifestation comes all at once. Sometimes it comes in small bites. But if you are, for example, looking to attract a specific person in your life, then you're going to see signs of happy couples. You'll see pictures. All of a sudden, you'll start noticing couples on the internet. You'll notice pictures of couples. You'll see them walking down the street. You'll go to the fair and you'll see couples holding hands. This is a sign that you've aligned with this happy couple energy and that the specific person you desire is beginning to manifest in your life. Also, you'll see 1111 like crazy. I mean, you'll just see that number 1111 everywhere. A new beginning is taking place. You'll begin dreaming about a wedding or a marriage. And this is also a sign that your subconscious is now in alignment with what you deeply desire. And so likewise, high flyers, with money, you'll see signs of abundance. For some reason, you'll take the wrong road and end up in a neighborhood where there's big, beautiful houses. Or you'll see limousines driving down the street, black ones, white ones, stretch limos, but signs of opulence, signs of abundance will be coming your way. And you'll see the number 777. It'll just show up everywhere. These are little signs that your subconscious mind is saying, look no more waiting. It's happening now. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.